Hi, my name is Lokesh, and I would like to welcome you all in our career education classroom today, where we are trying to understand the different domain of engineering as a career. So we have gone through with a lot of domains of engineering, where we have understood about that particular domain of the particular engineering field. So first we have understood about electrical and electronics engineering. The second we have understood about something about mechanical and automobile industry engineering. Then third we have understood about, you can say, civil engineering. Then fourth we have understood about environmental engineering, and the fifth we have understood about you can say chemical and petroleum engineering. And today in this classroom we are going to understand the basics or the overall understanding of the domain of engineering, which is called aerospace engineering, where you are going to deal with aerospace means like designing or maintenance of aircraft or the craft which flies in the air. So this is called aerospace engineering. So an aerospace engineer is a crucial in research, design, development, performance, testing and launching of commercial and the military airplanes, weapon system, space vehicles and satellite. Are you getting my point? Research, design, development, performance, testing, launching of commercial vehicles or military airplanes, weapon system, space vehicles and the satellites. Aerospace engineer improve flight safety, fuel efficiency, develop control system, analyze new material and the use of advanced technology to meet customer needs and reduce the environmental impact of the air commute. Okay, so they are doing a lot of things, and aerospace engineering is one of the most critical and one of the most you can say sophisticated field in engineering, where you have to deal with a lot of aspects and you have to be very alert and precise in your working when you work as an aerospace engineer, because you have to work with safety, fuel efficiency, develop control system, analyze new material, new advanced technology to meet customer needs and reduce the environmental impact of the air commute. Okay, so now we are going to understand some of the basic career scope in aerospace. So now we are going to understand some of the basic career scope in aerospace engineering. So the first is maintenance of aircraft or missile. Aerospace engineer test new aerodynamics and aviation system and maintain them. Aircraft design. Aerospace engineers specialize in this field, deal with design, structure and testing aircraft, missile, spacecraft. They may conduct basic and applied research to evaluate adaptability of material and equipment to aircraft design and manipulate the structure of overall aircraft. Then aviation engineers are aerospace engineers in this field, deal with the airspace development, airport design, aircraft navigation technology and aerodrome planning. Satellite and space research. Aerospace engineering in this field deal with navigation system, radar and other communication network. Then defense. Aerospace in this field of deal with creation, maintenance, deployment of defense aircraft such as fighter jets, choppers, bombers, etc. Also the job requires to be able to handle such aircraft at necessary time. So these are the career scope. I'll repeat once again: maintenance of aircraft, aircraft design, aviation engineering, satellite and space research, and finally a defense sector where you as an aerospace engineering will be working. Will be understanding once you so now getting into the degree of aerospace engineering. So once you complete the 12th standard, you need to give an entrance examination. So some of the important points are: most of the college have eligibility criteria of 50% aggregate in class 12th examination, on some of the minimum 60%, some require 60% also. Must have class 12th or senior secondary examination with at least 50% marks including English. Some college and university also have an age limit. Aerospace engineering is divided into two parts: aeronautical engineering and astronautical engineering. Okay, so aerospace engineering can also be divided into two parts: aeronautical engineering and astronautical engineering. So it's like astrophysics, and aeronautical engineering is all about aeronautics and all that thing. So now we will be going through with the list of top institutions provides a degree in aerospace engineering in India. These are Indian Institute of Technology, multiple location, BIST Institute, Birla Institute of Technology. There is like BIST Pilani in Misra, National Institute of Technology, Calicut, National Institute of Technology, Silchar, National Institute of Technology, Surathkal, National Institute of Technology, Bhopal, and Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, this is Tiruvananthapuram. Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore. Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad. Sri Ramaswamy Medical University, that is called SRM, which is multiple location. Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University, Gandhinagar. Acharya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. MVJ College of Engineering, Bangalore. Shastri University, Tamil Nadu. Jawaharlal Technology University, Kadikar. Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore. Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology, NMIT, Bangalore. International Institute of Information Technology, Hyderabad. Maharashtra Institute of Technology, Pune. Anna University, Chennai. Madras Institute of Technology, Chennai. Hindustan Institute of Technology, Chennai. School of Aviation Science and Technology, that is in Delhi. Indian Institute of Aeronautics, that is in Patna. So these are the top institutions which provides you the degree in aerospace engineering. We'll go through with the top top institution in the world which provides you degree in aerospace engineering, which are the institution are Massachusetts Institute of Technology, US, Georgia Institute of Technology, United States, University of Michigan in US, Purdue University, US, California Institute of Technology, US, University of Maryland College Park in US, University of Illinois, University of Texas at Austin, Virginia Tech, US, Stanford University, US, University of Bristol, it's in UK, University of Cambridge, it's in UK. These are the top institution in the world which provides you the degree in aerospace engineering. Now we are going through with some of the list of entrance examination for getting into the degree college of aerospace engineering, and the entrance exam as usual they are JEE Mains and Advanced. So JEE Mains in month of April, JEE Advanced in month of May and June. So the JEE Mains first and then second will be JEE Advanced, and then we'll have a National Engineering Aptitude Test NEAT June, then Birla Institute of Technology and Science and Admission entrance examination, that is May. Education Promotion Society of India National Admission Test, that is in May and April. Vellore Institute of Technology and entrance examination, that is in April. University of Delhi Combined entrance exam DUCET, that is in month of June. Consortium Medical Engineering and Dental of Karnataka, May. Admission test for ICFA Science and Technology in May. Indian Institute of Technology Space and Technology admission test in May. Combined written admission test which in May and June. SRM University Engineering entrance examination, that is April. Manipal University online entrance examination, that is March and April. Indraprastha University common entrance exam, that is in May. And if you want to go for if you want to go into deep into the technology which is like aerospace engineering, then you have to go for from undergraduation to the post graduation, and for a post graduation you have to give an entrance examination if you're going to get into good college or it's a reputed college, and the name of entrance examination is GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. As usually we always go through the work description of the particular field. Today we are going to we are talking about aerospace engineering, so we are going through the work description when you're working as an aerospace engineer. So these are the points. Plan and conduct experimental, environmental, operational and the stress test on the models or the prototype of aircraft and aerospace system and equipment. So you have to do a lot of testing on the aerospace equipment and the products. Plan or coordinate activities concerned with the investigating into resolving customer reports and technical problem with aircraft and aerospace vehicles. So customer satisfaction, customer inquiries you have to take care, and there are a lot of reports of the particular aerospace vehicle or aircrafts and all. Coordinated activities of engineers or technical personnel involved in designing, modifying and testing aerospace products. So you have to coordinate all team efforts, evaluate product data or design for conformance or to engineering principle, customer requirement, environmental regulation, quality standards. So you have to evaluate product data and design for engineering principles, customer requirement, environmental regulation and quality standard. Develop design criteria for aeronautical and aerospace products. The design criteria including testing method, product costing, quality standard, environmental standard, completion data and many more. Participate in aerospace research and development programs. Review aerospace designing aerospace engineering design to determine how to reduce negative impacts on the environment. These are some of the work description when you're working as an aerospace engineer. We are talking. We will be talking as usual. We talk about advantage and disadvantage of the career in that particular field. So today we are going to talk about advantage and disadvantages of making a career in aerospace engineering. So first is job satisfaction is very high. Work not limited to only spacecraft and aircraft is rewarding in terms of money. This particular engineering domain is very rewarding money because you have to be very agile and proactive in when you're working in this field, because it's very you have to take care of all the minute details when you're working on the project which is related to the aerospace and aeronauticals. Then the disadvantages are you may have to have a location where work is available. So this location where this work takes place are very limited in world, so you have to find out the particular location and particular environment where you can get a good job with a good monetary package. Also, this may be a disadvantage. Can be a stressful job. It is difficult and extensive subject to the study, and your study knowledge or the knowledge of the particular subject, you have to be master in that thing which you are executing, because every step is very precise and very determined efforts need to be taken when you are working in that aerospace and aeronautical engineering. So today we have learned about everything about aerospace engineering, and we have gone through with the basic description of aerospace engineering, then the work scope or career scope in career scopes in aeronautical, or you can say aerospace engineering. Then we have gone through the important point, then the list of engineering college provides aerospace engineering in India, then the list of college provide aerospace engineering in world. Then we have gone through the entrance examination for getting into the degree of aerospace engineering, getting into the UG program of aerospace engineering. Then we have gone through with the entrance exam for getting into the UG to PG. Then we have gone through with what you can say work description for a work description when you are working as an aerospace engineer. Then we have gone through with the advantages and disadvantages of working as an aerospace engineer. So as usual in all the session we are coming with a lot of new videos in different domains of engineering, and in this series we are trying to understand the different domains of different field of engineering as a career which you can opt for. So stay tuned with us, and thank you so much for watching this video, and we will be coming up with a lot of videos which may help you out to get the crystal clear or clear picture of making career in the field of engineering. Thank you so much once again.